Alright guys, if you hear a whirling sound, that's just my fan that's on because it's hot in this room. I'm not using any studio lights whatsoever. I'm using natural lighting today. Whoa. If I had busted up my ring light, it would have gotten hot in here. So I want to talk about my my little glow up session recently. Okay, so recently I've been combining two glows, alright, two highlighting powders if you will. I've been combining my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Eclipse, and I've been combining my Face by Shana Amber Glow. Now let me tell you something, these two, y'all need to hook up. Like, you need to be like Eclipse Amber or Amber Eclipse, you know what I'm saying? Like, you guys need to just do it. This is everything. This right here is everything, okay? Like, it's everything, yes? Okay, so let me tell you how I use it. So the Jeffree Star one, it took me a while to kind of use this because it's so light, and when I put it on, I mean, I do have a frosty look, but if I don't work with it properly, it can just sit on my skin and just look like there's something sitting on my skin, and I hate when my glows just look like they're sitting on my skin. I like for them to just be sunken in, baby. Like, Bobo, is you going from within? I see. No, I saw that. I saw that. So that's what I want. So now with this, I use it on top, right? It is white. It's not, it's like a, I hope I can give you a good swatch, but it's like you see, it's like a white kind of, it's not pearl, that is it, it's pearl. So it's like a pearl-esque kind of color. And how I use both of them together is that I put this on top, bring it down a little bit, and then I seal the deal with my Face by Shana Amber Glow. And I'm blushing because Face by Shana is a black owned makeup brand here in Jamaica. This right here, this is my boo, okay? This is my boo. So I did an Instagram live on All Dolled Up Cosmetics page. I think it was All Dolled Up Cosmetics page, I think it was on. And I left my Face by Shana at my house. I was like, yo, Shana, lend me yours. Bruh, it's when I put this on, I was like, oh, how? Why have I not used it in such a long time? I just fell in love right back with my Amber Glow. So the Amber Glow is perfect for us women of color because it has it's golden, you know. So I'm gonna do a little swatch, a little swatchity swatch. See, it's more golden than the Eclipse. So I like fusing these together. So the Jeffree Star would be on top, and then the Amber Glow will be right, like almost on the apples of my cheeks, like right here. So this is my Jeffree Star on top here, then the Amber Glow fuses it with nicely. Now what this does, it helps to blend out the Eclipse a little bit better, and it looks way more wearable for me. Some women who are darker or dark or my same complexion or whatever, they can rock the Jeffree Star, but for me, I just don't like how it looks too white. And I'm saying white, but it's pearl, but in my head it's translating as white. So because it's translating as white, I was like, I don't want nothing white on my collarbones or on my cheek. I mean, I have worn it white before when I did my pre-Mother's Day Slay, that video. That was a Jeffree Star, but it wasn't, if you look in the thumbnail, it wasn't as blended as how I would want it to be blended. So yeah, so that's that. No, I find out how I would work with it, and I love these two together. It looks so phenomenal. These two are really, really good. And I'm not saying get you Jeffree Star, get you Shana, and then marry them. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying if you have a highlight or a glow powder or a sparkling gloss or whatever that is a little bit too pearl for you, if you have one that is more golden, you can fuse them together and make it work. No, they can do bad all by themselves, honey, but when they come together, when they come together, yes. Oh, you want to take a screenshot? I did not even notice. Just hold on. Let me just do this for you. Let me just show that because it's all about branding. Let me just hold this properly for you so you can take it. Yes. So yeah, that's basically it. I know this video is short, but I like doing these short videos where I'm kind of focusing on a specific brand or a specific look. My next video is going to be all about my glow powders, but I have to go and collect all of them because I have stuff scattered over different houses, so I have to go and collect those. But yeah, that's the next video that I want to make for you guys. So that's basically it. Look at me cleaning off my fingers in my tie head. Why am I so ghetto? yeah, so that's basically it, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. The Eclipse from Jeffree Star Cosmetics can be bought at jeffreestarcosmetics.com, and the Shana Face by Shana Amber Glow, that can be bought at all-dolled-up-cosmetics.com, I believe, and they're also on Instagram as all-dolled-up-cosmetics, and also which other something, oh, Bargain Mall for all of the cosmetics. They're also at Bargain Mall upstairs where the food court is. They're also there as well. So that's basically it for this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like these kind of short burst videos or whatever, but I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.